Hello children, how are you all? I wish you all are fine and healthy. So it's time to start some study. I hope you all have seen the part 1 of chapter 2nd. Today I am going to start part 2 of chapter 2nd. Before starting the chapter, we have to take a quick recap of part 1 video. In part 1, we have understood about GUI, its meaning and definition, working of GUI, menu-driven application, some menu-driven application-based devices that we have seen about induction stove, mobile phone, cable TV, etc. Examples of GUI operating system, features of GUI, WIMP, window icon menu pointer, how user interact with GUI. After understanding the GUI, it's time to understand about operating system. So our first topic is introduction to operating system. The most important program that runs on a computer to control others programs. Other program means other software. An application is called operating system. It is an interface between hardware and software. This line means it connects hardware and software because it is a medium to connect the hardware and software. So it's help us to provide output which we want. You can also say that a operating system is a soul of the computer system because without operating system nothing will work. So after understanding about operating system, now we will understand interface of operating system with hardware and software, means how hardware and software connect operating system and how operating system control different hardware and software. Operating system work like a bridge between user and device. It's work to handle hardware and software both. It means that you can see in this picture a operating system which is controlling hardware and software board. Hardware is monitor, printer, mouse, keyboard and hard drive means CPU, and software is different type of applications. So it is a medium to connect user and device and it works to handle hardware and software both. After understanding about the operating system, what is work, it's time to understand about the basic tasks performed by the computer operating system. So these are the basic tasks which are performed by the operating system. The first is with the help of keyboard, input device, recognize input from the keyboard, then sending output on monitor, keeping tracks of files and folders on the hard disk means it is a storage device. It also controls the storage device, it controls the input device, it controls the output device, controlling peripheral devices like printers. Peripheral means a device which we can connect outside of the computer. So this type of device is also controlled by the operating system. So it's time to move on our next topic, introduction to Windows 10. Windows is an operating system and Windows 10 is a version of operating system. It is major version of the Microsoft Windows operating system that I have told. That was released on July 29, 2015. This is the newest version of the Windows operating system, Windows 10. Windows 10 includes many new features in it. It also supports the start menu, which was not in existence in the earlier version of Windows like Windows 7 and Windows 10. It is written here, it also supports the start menu. Start menu is a main attraction part of Windows 10 children because it came with the new graphics with lots of image and the alphabetical order of applications will help the user to select an application in an easy way. Now common desktop interface of Windows 10 means what is the working of the desktop, different interfaces, different option of the desktop Windows 10. Children, see this image. This is the first image when we open the system. This is called desktop. There are mainly 5 common interface which we will see when we using the desktop Windows 10. Start menu, icon, search box, taskbar, notification. Start menu is on bottom, then search box, the white bar, taskbar, notification bar and the upside icons. Now I will tell you about all the 5 interfaces one by one. The first interface is Start Menu. The Start menu, it is the central point of the window. There are two pictures are there. In first picture, when we click on the Start menu, it appears like this, and the second picture where Start menu is written, that circle, this is the image of the Start menu. Clicking on this button provides a nested list of applications for the user to open. In first picture, this lines, what it is saying, when we click on this button, this type of image, it is appear. It is available in the lower left corner of the screen. Now, the second, taskbar. A taskbar is a bar on the desktop that typically show the user which application or tasks are currently active or running. It means if we are working on the computer and some applications are open, okay, so at that time it show the icon of that application which tell us that how many applications are open and on which application we are currently working, and it is available on the bottom of the desktop. Now next is icons. Children, you have seen this type of icons in mobile phones also. And what is the use of this icon? Actually, these are the different applications or software in which with the help of touching or clicking on this icon, we can easily use that applications or software. So, these are the small pictures on a computer screen that represent a program or function. Each program or function has a different icon. As example, if you want to play YouTube, you have to click on YouTube icon. If you want to play some games, you have to click on game icon. If you want to do call to someone, you have to click on contact or dial icon. That's it. Each program or function has a different icon. In mobile, we have to just click on that small tiny pictures and the application will open. But in computer system, an icon be opened by double clicking on it. Now it's time to move on our next topic, that is notification bar. First see the image. This image show about the notification bar. The notification bar is located on the right side of the taskbar at the downside. It is located. It shows different types of notification on your computer, such as the internet connection status. It shows about internet working, not working, volume level, brightness, charging. If you are working on the laptop, so about charging also. Okay, date and time. What the date is, what the time, what message. If you are connecting on the internet, it also shows what message is coming. Different type of work the notification do. So with the help of notification, we can easily understand the status of our computer system. Now the fifth part of the desktop is search box. Search box on the taskbar allow you to search the files on your system or on the web. See on this picture, the green rectangular box is showing the area or location where the search bar exists. So with the help of this box, we can easily search any pages, any applications, any software, or with the help of internet also we can easily search whatever we want. I hope now it is clear the common interface of desktop, the 5 common interface. So we will move on working with Start menu. As I have told you that this is the central point of Windows 10, means this is the newest features of Windows 10. So let's know about it. If you are looking for a specific application, you can open the Start menu and click all application. This will open an alphabet list of an application installed on your computer. It means that if you want to open any application, we can easily search it in the Start menu alphabetically and with the images also. Not only by clicking, there is another part, that is window key. You can also press the window key to start the application. In this image, the window key is given there. You can just press this key with the help of keyboard, and that start menu dialog box, that start menu image appear on your desktop. So it's time to take a quick recap of this video. Introduction to operating system, in which we have learned about the medium of operating system, what is the operating system work and how it's handled, hardware and software, interface of operating system with hardware and software, basic task of computer operating system perform, because computer operating system handles hardware and software. This is the medium between user and device. Introduction to Windows 10 and common desktop interface. There are mainly 5 common interface: start menu, search box, taskbar, notification bar and icons. So this much for today. We will meet soon with the next part of the chapter 2. It's time to solve the worksheet. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.